That's the red-chested cuckoo. It makes this sound often, which means that it will rain.
The train moving from the lodge up to the chin tracking. What's special is that you can view many species of birds, mammals, and reptiles. And the sound of the gorge, it's beautiful. You have to view the Queen Elizabeth side of the national park.
The landscape, the different colors you're seeing of the grass, that makes it very beautiful. There's an elephant down here. Chimps have slept here before in this fig tree. It was very special. Everyone can just walk and have this gorgeous view